Hello, I'm Cynthia Najim of QuadSpinner, and I'm going to show you SkyBuilder, an exciting feature of our unprecedented cloud technology, Helios. Helios is both fast and friendly. You can create, light, modify, and animate lifelike atmospheres from dramatic to subtle. The unique interface takes the focus away from the guesswork and shifts it to art direction. To start Helios from View, go to Automation, click Run Python Script, and select Start Helios. Alternatively, you can initiate Helios first and launch View from there. Now let's look at SkyBuilder, a unique visual approach to atmosphere creation. The 14 most important atmospheric controls in View are represented visually in SkyBuilder's compact window. First, we have the component bars: sky, decay, haze, and fog. As you can see, to modify the settings, you can easily move the bars up and down to change the altitude, and pull the bars in and out to change the density. This unique interface lets you see not only how the different components interact with each other, but also their impact on the entire atmosphere. When you right-click any of the bars, the most recently used values show up. When I move the component bar to make changes to the sky, and then right-click it again, you can see these new values show up at the top. You can also change the sky color right here. That brings up our advanced color mixer. For your convenience, we have an extensive collection of color swatches. You'll also see handy tabs for all components of the sky. You can use advanced color modes, such as Lab, to attain colors between opposing hues like blue and orange. Once you've made your changes and are ready, simply click Apply and Helios will do all the work for you. SkyBuilder also has the Classic Editor, which uses familiar settings for precision, like in View. When you make a change in the Classic Editor, you can see an echo of the last value in the slider, a very useful flux feature for fine-tuning. You can access the color palette by clicking the color swatch. And next to each component is the button for Flux. Flux is like an undo history, but far more powerful. It keeps track of all the changes you make and displays them visually in what we call pulses. You can toggle a setting in the flux to restore previous values. Part of the genius of Flux is that all the changes you've made in between your most current setting and the one you select remain intact and accessible. Another key feature of Flux is Anchor. Simply click the anchor icon next to any component and your setting is locked. Here I've locked down Sky, Decay, and Haze. When I load a sky preset, such as Bright Summer Day, only the unanchored components are changed. Now I'll inverse the anchoring and load the Desert Storm preset. Again, only the unanchored components are affected. Now I'm going to unanchor everything and show you an atmosphere snippet in the Sky library. Atmosphere snippets are individual sky components, like this brown fog variant. When you apply, you'll see that only the fog value was changed. You can easily make your own snippets by anchoring the components you don't want and then save the atmosphere to the library. Now I'll show you one of our favorite features, atmosphere buffering. Just click the magnet button to copy the current atmosphere. In View, I've loaded a different preset with clouds that I like, but I want the rest to look like the previous sky. When I paste the atmosphere I've copied, it applies the exact settings from the previous sky to this new one, and the clouds remain unchanged. This has been a brief overview of SkyBuilder's diverse capabilities, and the possibilities are truly limitless. See the rest of our website for more information on Helios cloudscapes, cloud painting, tools for games and film, and advanced compositing features such as Cloud Z-Depth.